In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a guest attendee from a Google Calendar event, step by step. This is a quick and useful skill if you added the wrong person, need to update a meeting list, or simply want to clean up an event before sending it out again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this from your browser by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that owns the event. Once your calendar loads, look for the event that you want to change. You can find it on the day or time it's scheduled, or use the search option if you have a busy calendar and need to locate it faster. After you find the event, click on it once. A small event window should pop up with the details. In that pop-up, look for the pencil icon, which is the Edit Event button. Click that to open the full event editor. This is where you can make changes to the title, time, location, description, and guest list. Now that you're on the edit screen, find the guest section on the right side of the page. This area shows everyone who has been invited to the event. Scroll through the list if needed until you find the guest you want to remove. Move your mouse over their name or email address, and you should see a small X appear next to it. Click the X to delete that guest from the event. Once you do that, they will be removed from the attendee list. If you accidentally remove the wrong person, don't worry. You can usually add them back before saving by typing their email again in the guest field. After removing the guest, look at the top of the page and click the Save button. Google Calendar will then ask whether you want to send update emails to the removed guest. This is an important step because it lets you decide if the person should be notified about the change or if you want to remove them quietly without sending a message. Choose the option that fits your situation. If this is a meeting or shared calendar event, sending the update is usually the polite and professional choice. If you're just cleaning up a draft or making internal changes, you may prefer not to notify them. Once you confirm your choice, Google Calendar will save the update and the guest will be removed from the event. And that's it. You've now removed a Google Calendar guest attendee. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can save you from confusion, extra emails, and unwanted invitees on your calendar events. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.